Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am also fine. First of all, I would like to thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So today's topic is my favorite leader. My favorite leader name is Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He is a present Prime Minister of India. He is also the fifth Prime Minister of India. He became a Prime Minister in first time 26th May 2014, and his father name was Mr. His father name was Mr. His father name was Mulchand Modi, and his mother name was Hiraben Damodar Das Modi, and his wife name is Yashodaben Modi, and she is a teacher. She is a teacher, and now she retired. But Mr. Modi denied to expect him because of some cases. He thought about these things. The expectation of his wife is wrong. Many pupils who create a question about her wife, but he denied to expect her due to many conditions. If they expect, then she also expect his family. That's why they abandon her wife, and he loves her mother very much due to some condition, because her father died and her mother is also died, but he thought that her mother is a big support. That's why in now election, he talk about this thing, means he's a tea seller man in past time, but now he is a Prime Minister of India. So we learned a lot of things. He shop at the age of 8. He joined RSS, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak, to knowing about the politics, because from the starting he taking interest in politics. So he also at the age of 8 he also want to wander whole world, because in his opinion the wandering is the best way to getting experience. That's why they thought that if he wandered whole world, then he have a lot of experience about everything. After it's easy to knowing about pupils and their culture and their rituals. So he want to wander whole world, but due to some conditions he don't success on their motive. But after some time he also want that the construction of Ram Mandir. At that time he don't have a means he don't a prime minister or chief minister of anywhere. That's why he don't successful in their motive because of these things. From the beginning they also want the construction of Ram Mandir is held immediately, but many people who fight for it, and many people who placed that if that Ram temple don't constructed in Ayodhya till they don't make their houses and rooms because of many conditions. So also when nowadays they construct the Ram Mandir in 2023, it's begin and it completed in January. So they thought that and they also go for their worship and the opening of the temple. In beginning, every people thought that this work is too good, but in some ways, people whose houses are destroyed due to a narrow of roads and the place fine for their facilities, like they make heaven the Ayodhya because it's the birthplace of Ram. That's why the prime minister thought at if it's make then the foreign pupils go there for visit, and the reputation of India is increased due to all these conditions. And also he's in past time he's the chief minister. He was the chief minister of Gujarat. First he served Gujarat for a long time in a chief minister and also a governor. In 26th May 2014 he is the 15th prime minister of India. Till since he served our country, and now he is the third. He joined the seat of prime minister third time. So he thought that everyone thought that if they serve our country in a long time, then our country change a lot due to these conditions, because they launch a lot of missions like Ayushman Bharat. In this condition, in this mission, they thought about mostly pupils who means poor people who don't know about the good facilities. They provide means he provides a good facilities for their health and their life. Many times those pupils in past who don't have a money for their treatment, at that time thought this thing they thought these things if they collect money, means save after, if they get ill, then whole money spent in their health. But after some time this thing is changed. 5 lakh rupees treatment is free for poor people in this mission. And also they remove the article 370. Everyone know about this article, because this is too old, and many parties are make joined joined it, but no one removed it due to a lot of condition. These Jammu and Kashmir is a union territories. That's why every people are fear from their people who lived there. They are fear. Pupils who lived in India, they fear from their people. In this condition, they don't buy a land on Jammu and Kashmir. And now our prime minister removed this thing due to a many condition. Now we are free from this thing. In past time we all are not independent. So many freedom fighter and brave people do struggle for us. They don't thought about this thing. If why I fight. Nowadays every people thought that if we planted tree, that for ourselves, not for anyone. We thought about this thing. If we plant any tree, then we get oxygen and fruits for ourselves. But that brave pupils and great men thought about the past generation. No, they don't thought about their self. And also a lot of missions like Swachh Bharat. This mission is held by our Prime Minister on Mahatma Gandhi. So recognize, and they thought that because they like a lot of cleanness. In many places, they also improve the cleanness of areas. In and his wife name was his wife name is Yashoda Ben, and she also a teacher, but now she is retired, and he refused to accept her because of many conditions. If we talk about many politics people, they always if they go anywhere, then they go with their families and relatives, but this is the specialty of Narendra Modi. When they go anywhere, then they don't want means his family and with him or her relative, his relative, they always walk alone, and they when her mother his mother is alive at that time, before the election they go there for meet his mother, and they sit here on a chair. They don't make his house very splendid, and many facilities in his houses. They always spend a simple life in her family. If her age is about his age is about 73 years, and he consists a lot of experience about politics. So that's all.